Hello and welcome to Jira Lab. In this episode we will talk about reverting changes that you make in Jira. What is the use case scenario for today? You modified a workflow and deleted some post functions and conditions. You test the new version of your workflow and realize that this was a mistake and you want to go back to the previous version. What functionality can you use in Jira to revert the changes in a workflow? This is a tricky use case. There is a general rule in Jira that once you make a change, this change cannot be reverted. So in Jira, there is no Ctrl+Z keys combination. You cannot press any special button to revert the changes. Let's see in the system what can you do to test a workflow before you publish it. Okay. So let's go to workflows, and in this episode we'll have a look at this workflow, ACP subtask workflow. So I found this workflow already in workflows, it's open, and we'll try to edit it. Okay, and in this transition, as you can see, there's one condition, one validator, and one additional post function. So let's delete them. So I'll delete the condition. Okay, I'll delete the validator. And also I will delete this additional post function. All right, so this workflow is now as clean as possible. No extra additional functionalities in this transition. And let's publish it. And this is the moment of truth that you can use to avoid any problems later. Create a backup copy, rename it to, let's say, ACP subtask workflow version 1.0 and publish it. So the workflow that you've just edited, this new version, keeps the name like this, ACP subtask workflow, but the previous version, just in case, stays here. So it is here, ACP subtask workflow 1.0. If something is wrong with your new version, you can always revert back to this one. And although the name is changed, you won't have to worry about that too much. Okay, so I hope you've learned how to revert changes back to the original state. That is all for now from me. Thank you for watching this episode of Jira Lab, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.